Minna no Nihongo, Lesson 11, Part 1, Vocab. First, imas, kodomo ga, have a child. Yamada-san wa kodomo ga 3 nin imasu. Yamada-san has 3 kids. Second, imas, nihon ni, stay, be in Japan. Dore kurai nihon ni iru tsumori desu ka? How long do you plan to stay in Japan? Third, kakarimasu, take, cost, referring to time or money. Uchi kara kaisha made 3 時間 kakarimasu. It takes 3 hours to reach my office from my home. Fourth, yasumimasu kaisha o Shumatsu ni uchi de yukkuri yasumitai. I went to rest peacefully at my home on weekends. Fifth, yasumimasu kaisha o take a day off work. Netsu ga aru kara kyou kaisha o yasumimasu. I have a fever today, so I won't be going to office today. Sixth, ringo. Ringo o itsu ka kaimashita. I bought 5 apples. 7. Mikan, Mandarin orange. Kono mikan wa totemo amai desu. This orange is very sweet. 8. Sando ichi, sandwich. Hiru yasumi ni sando ichi tabemasen deshita. I only had a sandwich for lunch today. 9. Kare, raisu, curry with rice. Kono kare wa totemo karai desu. This curry is very spicy. 10. Aisukrimu, ice cream. Kyou wa atsui kara aisukrimu o tabemashou. It's very hot today, so let's go for ice cream. Grammar point 1. How to use quantifier. Quantifier, number with counter suffix, are usually put straight after the noun plus particle that determines the type of quantifier. Example, Ringo o yotsu kaimashita. I bought 4 apples. Second, asking how many. Ikutsu. Mikan o ikutsu kaimashita ka? How many Mandarin orange did you buy? Yotsu kaimashita. I bought 8. B. Nan plus counter suffix. Nan plus counter suffix is used when asking how many there are of things with the counter suffix attached. Example, Kono kaisha ni gaikokujin ga nan nin imasu ka? 5 nin imasu. How many foreign people are there in this company? There are 5. C. Dono kurai. Dono kurai is used to ask the length of time something takes. Example, Dono kurai nihongo o benkyou shimashita ka? 3 nen benkyou shimashita. How long did you study Japanese for? I studied it for 3 years. D. Nani nani gurai. Gurai is added after quantifier to mean about. Example, Gakko ni sensei ga 30 nin kurai imasu. There are about 30 teachers at our school.